Ну, шевелитесь. Get in.
We've sent a strong message with this attack, Makarov.
That was no message. This is a message.
The Americans thought he could deceive us. When they find that body, all of Russia will cry for war.
The Russians ain't gonna let this massacre go unanswered. It's gonna get bloody.
Too right, mate. Now in the eyes of the world, they're the victims. No one's gonna say a word when the Russians club every American they can reach.
Makarov was one move ahead. Now he's left thousands of bodies at the feet of an American.
We're the only ones who know it was Makarov's up. Our credibility died with Allen. We need proof.
Follow the shell. Alejandro Rojas.
Never heard of him, sir.
You know him as Alex the Red. He supplied the assault.
One bullet to unleash the fury of a whole nation. Which means that...
He's our ticket to Makarov.
Ghost, the plates are a match.
Copy. Any sign of Rojas' right-hand man?
Negative. They've stopped twice already, no sign of him. Wait, they stopped again. Stand by. Got a positive ID. Whoever these guys are, they're not happy to see him. Ghost, we have a situation here. Get down! Get down! Getting away! Look, let's go! Let's go! Ghost, a driver's dead. We're on foot. Meet us at the Hotel Rio and cut him off if you can.
Roger, I'm on my way. He went into the alley.
Non-lethal takedowns only. We need him alive. Roach, take the shot. Go for his leg. Roach, let's go, let's go! Ghost, a driver's dead. We're on foot. Meet us at the Hotel Rio and cut him off if you can.
Roger, I'm on my way. He went into the alley.
Non-lethal takedowns only. We need him alive. Roach, take the shot. Go for his leg. Roach, let's go, let's go! Ghost, a driver's dead. We're on foot. Meet us at the Hotel Rio and cut him off if you can.
Roger, I'm on my way. He went into the alley.
Non-lethal takedowns only. We need him alive. Roach, take the shot. Go for his leg. He's down. Roach, this is gonna take some time. Go with Meat and Royce and check out the favela for any signs of Rojas. That's where this guy is headed.
Let's go. Meet, get these civvies out of here. Roger that.
Sai daqui, depressa!
Bravo 6, be advised. We engaged enemy militia at the lower village. Roach, I'm with you. What's the route?
Roger that.
Sai daqui, depressa!
Bravo 6, be advised. We engaged enemy militia at the lower village. Roach, I'm with you. Watch the rooftop. Go! Royce, give me a sit rep. Over. Lots of militia, but no sign of Rojas over here. Over. Copy that. Keep searching. Let me know if you see him. Out. Roach, move up. Let's go.
Ele tá tentando passar por trás aí.
Meat is down. I repeat, meat is down.
Não dá pra ver ele aqui. Mete bala, mais rápido. Cuidado, tô tirando uma granada. Quebra podemos pedir resgate por ele. Ele foi atingido. Vá pro outro telhado.
Ele tá tentando matar da gente escondido!
Meat is down.
Inimigo à frente.
Pega ele de surpresa em cima dos telhados!
Seu trabalho é sujo. Inimigo à frente.
Soldado chegando do leste! Ele tá indo pro... Me dá cobertura!
Ele tá na esquerda, por trás da gente.
Cambé aqui! Tá correndo pra onde? Volta aqui! Tem uma bala pra pegar na sua cabeça! Não pode! A gente não morre aqui! Tô vendo um inimigo ali pra cima, pro lado direito! I'm going to... Essa velha é nossa casa! Sai fora! Sai fora! Campbell! Volta aqui!
Tira, covardes. Me dá cobertura.
Corta caminho pelos telhados e mata eles por cima! Vai! Vai! Kill them from above! Go! Ele foi... Johnny! Entra atrás deles com vida! Podemos pedir resgate por eles!
Ei, gringo, corre enquanto pode. Gasta tua própria garganta e me poupa o trabalho! Eles estão tentando escapar!
Sai daqui! Tu acha que vai...
Tô vendo inimigo à direita! Ele foi atingido!
Não dá pra atirar no inimigo daqui! Vamos no corpo! Tu não tá com medo, não?
Acabou minhas balas! Tô atacando a gente da esquerda! Me dá cobertura! Tu não tá com medo, não, meu?
Roach, I'm hit!
Espera a frente! Fogo nele! Tu acha que pode entrar e sair quando quiser na minha favela? Acha, é? Do you?
Inimigo à frente! Me dá a cobertura!
Watch out! Cuidado! Esses games atiram melhor que a polícia! Eles estão tentando escapar!
Estamos perdendo muito homem! Estão cercando a gente por trás!